Hello everyone, welcome back. If you're new here, I am Srinidhi V Prabhu, first year medical student in Bangalore Medical College and Research Institute. As I have talked in my previous video about time management, you have to start from strongest subject and then proceed on with your weaker ones, so that you will be left with plenty of time to work on your weaker subject at the end. In this video, I will talk about paper attempting strategy. How you have to attempt the paper to get more marks with less negative marking. So let's jump into that. You have to attempt paper in 3 steps. In first step, you will attempt only easier or moderate question for which you are 100% sure of the answers. In first step, please don't try to solve confusing or ambiguous question. If you think you know a concept of the problem pretty well, but you don't know how to solve that question, please leave it to the end. You can come back to that question in later time. If you are stuck in a particular question, please don't waste much time. Leave it to the end. You can come back to that question once you finish all the easier question. So you won't waste much time solving a particular question. Please don't try to make guesses or take risks in first step itself. By solving easier question, you can build up your confidence, you can do pretty well in later part of the examination. And you have to solve as fast as you can and also minimize your silly mistake. In second step, you can solve the questions which you think you can solve but requires more time, which is time consuming. Now is the time for you to solve lengthy problems too. Take a look into those problems which you have left behind in first step and check if you can solve them. You have to finish step 1 within 90 minutes or so and step 2 within 60 to 75 minutes. So at the end you can solve confusing or ambiguous question and the questions which you have left behind in step 1 and step 2. One more thing you have to remember while solving question is that you have to write clearly while solving question. If you make clumsy calculation, you won't be able to find where you have gone wrong and you have to do the calculation all over again. But if you have written those calculations clearly, you can come back to the same calculation and check where you have gone wrong. You don't get it now, but avoiding redoing all the calculation again and again can save a lot of time in the examination. So please remember to write the calculation clearly. There is plenty of space in the NEET booklet. There is space next to the question even at the end of the booklet. So please make proper use of them and make calculation clearly so that you won't make any silly mistake or calculation error and you don't have to do the calculation all over again. In the end, you will be left with 15 to 30 minutes. Now, if you have crossed your cutoff for your dream college, I recommend you not to take a risk and solve the question which you are not sure about or confusing questions. But if you want to get even more marks than what you have now, you can take calculated risks. Please don't make too many random guesses, as it may backfire you as negative marking. Remember, each and every marks count. Even 1 mark can affect your entry to dream college. So please be aware that each and every marks count. Take calculated guesses but not too many. If you think you have crossed your cutoff, please don't take too many guesses. As I told, it may lead to more negative marking and may affect your entry to your dream college. Don't let that happen to you. Try to implement all of these steps in your mock test and feel free to make any adjustment as for your requirements. Hope you all are reading well and taking as much mock test as you can, and I think you all are seeing your progress as you are going forward to write NEET exam. Feel free to share your thoughts and suggestions in the comment below, and I feel really motivated when I read all your comments and suggestions. I think that is the one thing that is motivating me to make more videos for you and think of other different ways to move along with you in your journey. Hope you liked this video. If you did, please share and subscribe, and I will see you all in my next video. Till then, keep revising. All the best for your exams. Have a great day.